everyone, it's Mary Beth from MBGray Designs. Today I've got a really fun fall Dollar Tree haul. Look how cute these are. I think they had a red one too, but I got a couple of these. I'll probably redo them. You could always do this side, but I think it's so cute even how it is. So, oh, I did get a red one. Sorry, I'll show you the red one. I mean, they're pretty much the same, a little bit different design. But there you go. Fall harvest, give thanks. Super duper cute. And then I found this apple. I am in an apple and sunflower challenge coming up, or collab. So, oh, that's like a metal leaf. Cute. So I thought I would redo this. So I thought that was cute. I couldn't believe I found fall. I've been looking for fall stuff. I still cannot find the little just wooden cutout pumpkins. It's crazy. But I did get several of these. So I'm going to make some fun fall items with these. But again, they're just cute, you know, by themselves. And then they had a lot of this size signs. And I love redoing these signs. So this one says thankful, grateful, and blessed. And then this one's really cute. It says farm fresh fall. Look how cute that is. I thought that was cute. So I got several of those. Put them in my wood pile here, sorry, or wood sign pile. And then I got a few of these. This one says autumn, apple cider, hay rides, pumpkins, fall leaves. It's really cute. And then this one, the other one I found there might have been a third one, I can't remember, but it says gather here with warm hearts. Look at that, that's really pretty down below. So I thought these were fun. Again, you know, oh, that came off, but that's okay, I'm gonna redo it anyway. But some of these, oh, some of them are just super cute the way they are. All right, and then this other wooden sign, I really liked the shape of this as well. And it says grateful, thankful, and blessed. So as you can see, it just kind of, you know, has the wood. Well, what am I trying to say? The image of wood. And then there's this side. So I thought those were cute as well. They're easier to store because you can just fold them up. Easy peasy. All right, now a couple of these items I cannot show just because I'm in a Dollar Tree mystery box hop and they're being mailed out, so I don't want her to see those. But I found these and I was really excited about that because, again, can't find the small ones. So I got a few of these. And then I picked these up, just tip for you. Ooh, that one's torn, but it doesn't matter because I usually cut them anyways. That's weird. But I pick these up pretty much every time I go. Well, not every time I go. I take that back. But they're pretty big, okay? And I cut them in 4s. And I use these all the time with crafting, you know? So they're good to put like a stain mixture, whatever. They're really good. So I highly recommend these. Plus for cleaning, you know, that's what they're for. And then I did find, now I had a couple apple ones, but I finally found the pumpkin ones of these. And they're these cute little boxes. And that pumpkin's plain, I can't think, plain on the back. So, I mean, I could probably take a couple of these apart. So yeah, I still have an apple one too. And then I was really excited. Well, these are different. I found these cute little picks. I thought they were just cute to add, you know, to floral arrangements, you know. So I got a few of these. There's one with a green hat. I thought those little guys were cute. And then I found these little sunflower, well, I guess they wire on, but you know, those are cute. I did pick up, this isn't fall, but some of their, I like to use these, whatever, chalkboard little clothespin tags. And I've never seen this felt before at Dollar Tree. Maybe some of you have, but I picked up the black and the white, but they had quite a few other colors as well. And then I got these leaves and they clip on, but I thought those were pretty. They have that color, and I also got this color, and I got gold. So I like that they had a little variety of colors there. I'm gonna put these away. These are cute little guys. All right, next I got, well, hold on, I gotta grab it. Okay, I got some of these cute decorative picks. So these are kind of like a cute white, and these are orange. And then these have little clips on the back, and they're a little bit bigger, if you can see there. These are more picks, sorry. So yeah, I got some of those. And then I like that they have these. I use these on another DIY. Look at the cute little rustic pumpkin. I put that like in the middle of a flower, a big flower, and you got the little pine cones. So yeah, I like these. I have a few of those. Yeah, so that are these picks and the little clip-on pumpkins. I thought those were really cute. I was just happy to find fall. And then I got, oh, we did that, I'm sorry. Let's see. Okay, I did pick up these cute little hay bales. Is that how you say it? Bale? Whatever. And then, oh, look. They had acorn little box thing. How cute. They only had a couple of, or maybe only one of those. And then I did get, some more of these. So yeah, that was a good little find. I did get a bunch of fall florals not too long ago, but I've been using them like crazy in my DIY. So I picked up some more. I really, really love those. Well, I love them all. I think they're so beautiful. And then I also got this color. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Another one of those. Oh, and I got this one. Really pretty. And I think that's the same. Yeah. So I have a big basket over here where I didn't mean to knock the camera, where I keep all my fall florals. I didn't show you everything. I did a Hobby Lobby too. Look at that cute pick. I have some Hobby Lobby florals that I got. That was all 40% off. That was last weekend that I went there. But yeah, so that was a good one. And then I got, okay, so I found these cute little, oops, they're called craft bottles, but I don't know, I thought they were cute. And I like the little buffalo check lid. So you could either use them for storage, or you could, label them and put things in for like, I don't know, you can make it however you want. Put a little ribbon around it, decorative. They had one of these. This is heavy, but I thought it was really pretty. I mean, I'm not going to DIY it. I really like it the way it is. It says, be blessed, be thankful. I mean, this was kind of surprising decor piece, because it's like, like cement filling or whatever, stone. I mean, this is something, I don't know, I feel like you would find at Hobby Lobby, so there was literally one just laying down out of place, and I grabbed it. And then look at these new little candles. I thought they were really pretty, and I'm liking the color. I figured I could do something with those. And I love these square vases, and they're pretty thick. I think this is a great deal for $1. So yeah, I got a couple of those. Yeah, so I got that. And the only other thing that I got, it's not fall, but it could be. I got a couple of these. I think these little baskets are cute. You could always dress them up, put some twine around them, hang them on a sign, or, whatever, put hooks on them, or just use them for storage. Same with these cute little baskets. I don't know if I've seen this size before. And then I did get this. I wish they would have had white, but this one is like literally for, well, there's 3. I thought I picked up 2 for storage, you know, for some of my stuff. So, again, I wish it would have been white, but that's okay. I mean, I know I could paint it, but I don't feel like doing that. Anyway, all right. So I hope you enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul, and it's getting there. It's almost fall. So thank you so much for joining, and have a great day. Bye.